everyone. Today, I will tackle about the classical movement and techniques. First, naturalism. Depicting subject truthfully with idealization, focus on an accurate representation of nature. Humanism. Emphasis of human potential, achievements, and value often seen in Renaissance art, shifting focus on from purely divine subjects. Fresco painting. Painting done rapidly on wet time plaster. Pigments mixed with the plaster and it dries, making it very durable. Tempera painting. Pigment mixed with an egg yolk binder. Dries quickly, resulting in sheer lines and matte finish. Common on before oil painting become dominant. Oil painting. Pigment mixed with a drying oil like linseed oil allows for slow drying, enabling blending, layering, glazing, and rich color depth. Modern art movement. Impressionism. Focus on light feeling movement, visible brushstrokes. The name of the artist, Claude Monet. His context, late 19th century France, reaction against academic art influenced by photography and a new color theories. Post-Impressionism. Broad term, artists move beyond impression, focus on optical reality to explore structure, symbolism, or emotion. The artist Vincent van Gogh or Paul Cézanne. Number 3. Cubism. Representing subject from multiple viewpoints, simultaneously fragment formed into geometric planes. The name of the artist, Pablo Picasso. His context, early 20th century Paris, influenced by African sculpture and Cézanne. 4. Fauvism. Use of intense, non-naturalistic, arbitrary colors, emotion, impact. The name of the artist, Henri Matisse. Expressionism. Distorting form and color to express subjective emotion and inner feeling rather than objective reality. The name of the artist, Edvard Munch. Dadaism. Anti-art movement reacting to World War I, absurdity, focus on nonsense, change, and irrationality. The name of the artist, Marcel Duchamp. Number 7. Surrealism. Exploring the subconscious mind, dreams, and irrational juxtapositions. The name of the artist, Salvador Dali. Number 8. Pop art. Challenging fine art tradition by incorporating imagery from popular and mass culture, advertising, comics. The name of the artist, Andy Warhol. His context, mid-1950s, 60s UK as reaction to abstract expressionism. And with a brief reflection, which movement resonate with most and why? The movement resonate with me most is Cubism. Why? Because the idea of breaking down form and showing multiple perspective and one like Picasso's work totally changed how we see third space on a second surface. It's a huge leap from just capturing light like the Expressionists.